Hi guys, we're back with another video. I'm doing a lure session on the canal again, and yeah, just got my heavy set up today. Took about some heavy lures. I've got a mixture of stuff in the bag, and yeah, we'll just see what happens. I've probably only got a couple of hours fishing before dark, and the weather's not the best, to be honest. I was looking at the forecast today, and it was just overcast all day with no rain, and then as the day's gone on, the rain's crept in, and so it's on and off with the rain. Don't know if it'll switch them off or not. I'll talk you through my heavy setup in a minute, and we'll see how we get on. Let's get cracking. So the rod I'm using today is the Savage Gear swim bait casting rod, and it can cast up to 240 gram lures, I think, so this can cast pretty much anything. I've cast bigger lures than that. I've got that paired up with the Abu Garcia Revo SX reel. I got these when it was COVID, so there wasn't much available because everyone's getting back into fishing, so this is what I had to make do with, and it's been fine ever since for casting out heavy lures, so this is what I stick to. Got heavy braid on there. Can't remember exactly the strength, but it was I think it was the spider wire braid, and I'm sure it was about 60, 70, 80 pounds, something like that, so it's more than strong enough. Couple that with a wire trace, and then I've got I think it's a Fox River Roach. Yeah, I've got that on a stinger rig, and I've got a tungsten weight on the front, which I think is about 10 grams, something like that. It just helps it sink a bit better, so you can fish it at lower depths when you're doing like just a standard retrieve. Yeah, that's my setup, guys, and yeah, we'll just get fishing. Yeah, when I go out on these lure sessions, it's pretty much all the gear I carry. So obviously I've got my unhooking mat, bag with all the gear I need in. It's got forceps, you name it, scales, obviously selection of lures, hats, you name it, it's all in there. Everything you need for pike fishing. Landing net, which I talked in the last video with the rubber mesh. This stuff's brilliant. Obviously your hooks do get caught in it, but it's so easy to just get them out, which obviously saves you time on the bank when you're handling a pike. Yeah, obviously the rod as well. Don't carry much else with me. Obviously I've got my GoPro, which I need to upgrade because it's knackered. But yeah, let's get into the fishing. About my reel being really squeaky. It's a nice stretch, this. It's never like overly weedy or anything. There's a lot of debris on the surface, but for the most part it's weed free. Yeah, they say to use brighter colours when it's like this, you know, like overcast or rainy. The water's a bit murky, but I quite like using natural patterns like silver. This roach pattern's really good. Obviously I caught in the last video with this Ricky the Roach. I think it's actually a Fox River Roach, I think. I've had some of them in my box that long, can't even remember what the names are. Just have a few casts in each swim and then we'll crack on. Come on. Move on. think I'm in. No. Let's not fight back. Got it. Something heavy. Oh. Yeah, that's why it pays to have really strong braid. You just bend the hooks out basically. So I'll have to obviously bend that hook back or replace it. But it'll be fine because that's the one that goes in the bait, so I'll just bend that back. And bend that back. Yeah. There we go. Back up and running. Oh, what that was, it looks like some sort of engine part. I'm not very technical with that sort of thing. This swim here looks nice and pikey. There's one following that then. Come on. Just not felt the hook, so I'm hoping it'll come back. You'll probably be amazed how many times a pike actually chases your bait. Oh, look at that bird. Some sort of bird of prey, I don't know what that is though. Bloody big. Like an eagle to me. Try this side of the tree. I'm not sure if they've had a match on here today because there's some guys packing up before and there's loads of like bread and stuff or bait by the sides of the bank. So I'm presuming they've had a bit of a match going on today. So sometimes it can switch them on, you know, when they tip all the keep nets in, full of fish, sometimes it switches the pike on, so a few of them were just packing up, so if they've not long left, might be a good sign. They just switched a lot of pike on to feeding mode. There again, if they've managed to snaffle a few fish for the tea when they've thrown the fish back, then maybe I won't catch anything. It always seems to be raining when I go fishing. I'll get like a small window to actually go fishing once a week and it's just always raining. You know, even if it's not forecast rain, it starts raining from nothing. It's just my luck. Nearly hooked the bread then. Oh. Fuck off. No way. I'm sure that was a pike. Let me take it. I think it was chasing it and nibbling at it. It just didn't commit. Oh, yeah. Fucking stupid. Sorry for the language. Come back. Did it want it? I didn't see the size of it then. Kind of wanted it, but didn't. It felt like it was just nipping at its tail. Just didn't commit at all. Yeah, I'm sure it was just nipping at its tail like that. Yeah, definitely was. Look at that. Next swim. Just nipped back to the car to get some different lures. I'm going to use this little LMAB Kofi Perch. I'm going to try and push one of these in somewhere. Maybe in there. This is a glass bead. Don't know if you can hear that rattle. But should hopefully have an effect on the fish. Just got the one stinger on there, so I'll just see how that swims for now. Might have to change it up a bit. Yeah, stick me roach back in there. I've got all sorts of crap in this place. This lure looks really good in the water. This is where that pike came before, so let's just see if I can get a nibble on this one. Look at the action on that, guys. It's perfect. Oh, you see that there? I like this one though. Tiny little jack pike followed that. Oh, they really like this lure. I don't know if that was a perch or a pike then. Pulled out at the last minute then, that fish. Go back, go back, go back. Definitely fired up for this. Come on. One fish. That's all we want. How to ruin the swimming one cast. Come on. No barbecue. Honestly, why do people do that? Why would you leave a disposable barbecue just chuck it in the canal? Well guys, a couple of follows and one almost hooked up. But that's it for today. Just a couple of hours down the canal. It's just about to go dark, so I doubt I'll catch any more pike, to be honest. Catch any more. So it's a blank. I hope you don't mind me posting the blanks. You know, we all blank. It's part of fishing. As they say, it's why it's called fishing and not catching. Hopefully I'll be back out soon. Get another video out. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, give us a like. And subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, do let me know if you want me to post the blanks or not. I know some people prefer to know if it's a video with no fish. But yeah, showing you what I do, obviously showing you we all blank and all have off days. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.